This is Diana Sullivan in Austin, Texas, and today I am giving you a little excerpt from my Knitter's Finishing School course, which was 4 or 5 hours of video, which we originally sold on 2 DVD sets. We still have 2 DVD sets available, but now we also have USB flash drives which have the MP4s. Now I want to get right to the excerpt, but I'm going to just briefly focus on the course contents because if you're curious, I think you'll be able to stop your video and read them. Now, what this little video today is about is adding a growth line to a child's sweater. This is a tuck that you sew in using knit side grafting, and it can be removed later to make the sweater longer. It's really a great thing for growing children's clothing. So let's get right into that. Great use for right side Kitchener is you can create a grow line in children's clothing. You know how children will go through periods of time when they seem to get longer but not much wider, and you make the sweater for them and you want it to last a little while. You could make it just slightly wide, but you could add an extra inch or more in length, and you could fold it up and sew in a grow line. Now this would typically be done down around the bottom of the sleeve and body ribbings. You take a matching piece of yarn and you just do right side Kitchener. I'm going to hold this and pinch it to sew my grow line. You just do right side Kitchener right on across your grow line, and of course it's extra easy in my case because I've got variegated yarn, but you can do it with plain yarn, it's no problem. But I go under 2, go to my opposite side, go under 2, you're going to be surprised how easy it is to get the grow line out after Junior grows. See my grow line forming? And the technique is nothing but right side Kitchener. Now, to do this with wrong side Kitchener would be a problem because the tuck would be sticking out on the front of the sweater, but who knows, maybe that would be a design feature. And then when the kid gets his grow lines removed, he would be a little bit less lumpy looking. There's our grow line right there. You would secure the ends of this. You can see why it sort of needs to be at a ribbing where the sweater pulls in, because it's definitely got some bulk. See, there's all that underneath. But when the child grows, what do? How do you get the grow line out? This would be sewed all the way across. You simply get it loose at one of the side edges and you do this. And the grow line comes right out. And you have a longer sweater. So there's a fun use for a right side Kitchener. Make a grow line in a child's sweater.